This is a very interesting capture race challenge for black. These 4 Blackstone's liberties are actually very tight, so there are many possibilities for black here. And many of the first moves are easy to eliminate, so let's keep track, right? If you play here, white will of course connect. Now black is down to 2 liberties. If you bend here, white can just kill black this way. So number 1 actually fails. If you try this doesn't seem promising. White can just block. And once again, black has nowhere to escape. If you try something like this, white will just connect. Again, black is down to 2 liberties. Of course, these will not work on the outside. What about this one, right? White can block here and play this throw in at number 4. This will be a connect and die. So these are pretty basic techniques for white to play. If you play here, white can wedge, right? This way, white can still succeed. What about this move, right? Now we're getting close, right? Now black is threatening to connect back. If white is not careful, then black will succeed with 1 and 3. But what white can do is actually play here. Now if black plays here, then white can just encircle black this way, and black will still be dead. If black plays here at number 3, white can block at number 4, forcing black to cut here. But white can sacrifice number 4 and play here number 6. So this way, black can only capture, white will Atari, black captures, and now here's a connect and die. So number 4 and 6 are really key here, and that's why number 1 here is also wrong, because white can still play here. We'll still get to this same sequence. If black plays something like this, doesn't work. This way would be a connect and die. This seems like black is very short. So if you've been keeping track, we've tried all these moves already. We've tried all these moves. And the only one left is extremely unlikely. That's right here. Such an ugly shape. Like who would try this? Nobody, right? But it actually works. It's the only choice we have left. So let's see how white can respond. If white plays here, then black can actually just push at number 3 and will be able to connect. Similarly, if white plays here or here, black can just jump and it's already connected. White's strongest response is probably something like this, right? Number 2, now at least black won't be able to connect back. But what happens now is actually really fascinating. Black can Atari here and make a real eye at number 5. Now white must connect here, and what happens is that this is a real eye versus no eye situation. White cannot come in at number 10 because it doesn't have enough liberties on the outside. So this is actually the correct sequence, with white's strongest response here at number 2. So this is why I call it a very interesting problem, because number 1 is just extremely counterintuitive. It's definitely the last move I tried, and it's definitely not the first move that everyone wants to try. But that's what makes Go so fun, because oftentimes the intuitive moves are not correct, and you just have to try some really weird moves that actually work. And the result is a real eye versus no eye is even more surprising, because it's very hard to envision black having a real eye in this pattern. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.